Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to make a collage on Instagram story. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram on your smartphone. Now you can tap plus blue button on the top left above your story or tap plus sign from bottom menu. Then select story. Tap image option on bottom left. New share your year in 2014 collage. Select multiple photos and share your favorite moments as a collage in a single story. You can tap try it or you can see a new option collage 2014 from top menu. Now select multiple photos one by one. When photo selected, tap arrow button. Now you can resize your selected photos or reshape photos. Tap and hold on the photo and you can adjust opacity. You can add more stickers. When editing done, tap share button and share your story. So these are the steps to share best of 2014 collage on Instagram story. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.